Predictability ratio is an Agile metric used to measure how reliably a team delivers on what they planned. It compares the amount of work a team commits to at the beginning of an iteration with what they actually complete by the end. This makes it a key indicator of delivery consistency and helps teams understand how dependable their planning process is over time. At a high level, predictability ratio reflects how accurate a team's planning is in relation to real execution. Agile teams typically estimate work using story points, tasks, or backlog items, but real-world execution often introduces uncertainty. The ratio helps bridge the gap between planning assumptions and actual delivery outcomes. The formula for predictability ratio is straightforward. It is the completed work divided by the planned work. For example, if a team commits to 50 story points and completes 40, their predictability ratio is 0.8 or 80%. This simple calculation provides a clear snapshot of how closely execution aligns with commitment. A predictability ratio of 1.0 or 100% means the team completed exactly what they planned. This indicates strong alignment between planning and execution and suggests that the team has a solid understanding of its capacity. However, consistently aiming for 100% can sometimes lead to conservative planning, which may reduce ambition or innovation. When the ratio is consistently high, it suggests that the team has stable processes, well-defined requirements, and a good understanding of its velocity and capacity. It also indicates fewer unexpected disruptions, such as scope changes or dependency delays, allowing the team to deliver more consistently sprint after sprint. A low predictability ratio can reveal deeper challenges within the delivery system. Teams may be overcommitting, facing unclear or frequently changing requirements, or dealing with external dependencies that slow progress. It can also indicate that work items are too large or not well refined before planning begins. It's important to understand that this metric should never be used as a performance judgment tool for individuals or teams. Instead, it should be treated as a feedback mechanism. A lower ratio often highlights systemic inefficiencies rather than personal performance issues, making it valuable for continuous improvement discussions. In frameworks like Scrum, predictability ratio is observed across sprint cycles where teams commit to a sprint goal and a defined set of backlog items. At the end of each sprint, comparing planned versus completed work helps teams reflect during the sprint retrospective and improve future planning accuracy. Similarly, in SAFe, predictability ratio becomes even more critical at scale because multiple teams must align their delivery to program-level objectives. It helps organizations assess how reliably Agile release trains, or ARTs, deliver planned value across program increments, improving forecasting and business confidence. Teams can improve their predictability ratio by focusing on better backlog refinement, ensuring user stories are small and clearly defined, and reducing hidden dependencies between teams. Additionally, limiting unplanned work, improving estimation practices, and strengthening collaboration with stakeholders can significantly improve delivery consistency. Over time, consistently tracking predictability ratio helps build stronger trust between delivery teams and business stakeholders. When stakeholders see reliable delivery patterns, they gain confidence in planning releases, setting expectations, and making strategic decisions based on predictable outcomes. In conclusion, predictability ratio is a simple yet powerful Agile metric that highlights the relationship between commitment and delivery. When used correctly, it becomes a tool for learning and improvement, helping teams evolve toward more predictable, stable, and value-driven delivery practices.